This is Rob Saffuto, the Director of Marketing for Raw Voice, and you're watching Blubrry 2-Minute Tips. And on this episode of 2-Minute Tips, I'm going to show you how to take your MyCast and make it go with you onto any blog or web page. So I'm going to start out here on the Blubrry homepage, and I'm already signed in. And I'm going to go over to the MyCast link, and the first thing that I need to do is I need to grab the RSS feed for my MyCast, and here you can see some of the different shows that I'm subscribed to with MyCast. And up in the upper right hand corner we have an RSS feed icon, and that is the RSS feed for our MyCast. So every episode of all the shows that I'm subscribed to will eventually come through that RSS feed. And so what we can do with this RSS feed is we can place it on our blog or some other website to create ourselves basically something of a pod roll, and that would be just a list of the shows that are coming up in our MyCast, and that way other people can see what we are watching or listening to. So first thing we need to do once we get to the MyCast is we need to right click on the icon for the RSS, and we need to select copy link location. So I'm going to do that. So now we've got the link copied, and I'm going to open a new tab here, and I'm going to go to a website called feed2js.org. And what feed2js is feed to JavaScript, and feed to JavaScript basically allows you to take an RSS feed, and it allows you to create a snippet of JavaScript, which basically makes it a widget that you can use and place anywhere on the web. So we're going to click on the build link here, and this will allow us to build a bit of JavaScript that we can display on another website. So first thing we're going to do is do Control V on your keyboard to paste your MyCast feed, and then we're also going to come down and we're going to set a few options. Now if you want this to display on your blog, you need to make sure that it's set up properly. And for example, we want to put the number of items that we want to display. So let's just say I want to display the last 10 items. Do we want to display the channel title? And I'm going to say yes, show just the title, not the title and the description. If we selected no, it wouldn't display anything. And then the item descriptions, one will allow you to show the full description, and then or you could say 0, and that will not show the description. Let's just say I want to display the first 15 characters, and then we'd do it like that. And then use HTML on the item display. So everything we could add show item posting dates. Just about everything here is set, and we want to see what it's going to look like. We click Preview Feed, and we get that resized. So there's a preview of what our feed will look like in the side of our blog or on whatever web page if we paste it in. So we now have a nice pod roll of what we're subscribed to within the Blubrry community. And then next step is just to generate JavaScript. And this JavaScript right here, we can just do Control A to select it, and then Control C to copy it, and then you can cut and paste this JavaScript into any web page. You can paste it into the sidebar of your blog, and I will show you what that looks like over at my blog at blog.awakenvoice.com in the sidebar. If we scroll down and we look at the right side of the page, we see I have a variety of different things in the sidebar. I have latest posts, categories, archives. Way down the end, here's my MyCast, which I've pasted in using feed to JavaScript. And if I want to, I can click any one of these and go right to the post on Blubrry. Pretty cool. So a quick and easy way to be able to share what you're doing or what you're subscribed to on the Blubrry podcast community using feed to JavaScript. So this has been a Blubrry 2-minute tip. I'm Rob Safuto, the Director of Marketing for Raw Voice, and stay subscribed to get more 2-minute tips as we produce them. Thanks a lot.